An apple a day keeps doctor away. We have heard this cliche a number of times. Top 10 benefits of apples are packed with many important nutrients like vitamin C, B-complex, phytonutrients, calcium, fiber, potassium, phosphorus. Here are some top 10 massive health benefits of eating apples. Decreases risk of diabetes. Apple has soluble fibers which help in the reducing the swings in the level of sugar. This in turn helps in reducing the risk of diabetes. Reduces cholesterol. Soluble fiber also bind with fats in the intestine to reduce the level of cholesterol. You feel full and helps to reduce weight. If you opt for fibrous food like apples, they take more time to digest, hence they make you feel full for a long time. In turn, you're continuous carving for snack. Something reduces. This helps in keeping a check on your weight gain. 4. It strengthens your immunity. Apple contain phytochemicals such as catechin, phloridzin, and chlorogenic acid, all of which are strong antioxidants. 5. Can help in preventing or treating anemia. Anemia is characterized by the deficiency of hemoglobin, a molecule found in the red blood cells. By increasing the number of red blood cells in the body, apple not only prevents anemia but also ensure proper oxygenation of essential organ system. 6. Makes your teeth strong. Eating apples helps in cleaning both teeth and gums. When you bite into an apple, the fiber in it cleanses the teeth. 7. Helps overcoming constipation. The fiber in an apple help in pulling water from your colon and aid better motions in case of constipation. The fibers works other way round too by absorbing water from your stools if you are suffering from diarrhea and thus slowly down your bowels.